Good morning, everybody. Today's episode, we're checking out the new update of OFFROAD OUTLAWS. We cleaned up the new menus. We know we didn't just slap duct tape on it. We added the new truck you'll love. Literally, check it out. Oh, Chevy Love. Yes, yes, Chevy Love. My favorite truck in the world. Look at what they did. There's a full update. Everything's done to it. Holy crap. It still lags. No! Oh, wow, Chevy Love. I wonder what the sport version looks like. I only have $105. Oh, wow. Well, I'm selling a vehicle so I can buy the love. I didn't do much for this one anyways. It's 25,000. Oh, wow. This is a awesome update so far when I'm watching, looking at. We want grenades. 'Cause why not? Woodlands. Chevrolet Love. Oh, wow. That is amazing. I just, the amount of work that they put into this game on all 3 games, actually 4 games, they've done an immaculate job. It's amazing how much work they put into this. It might take some time, might take some effort, but they get it done. And they please everybody that goes through it, all these games. I don't even care if it takes forever to load. I just love working and playing on the vehicles that they have on here. There should be plenty of enough money. Go and do a couple upgrades, check out the customizations with it, and then we can go from there. But just immaculacy, that's beautiful Chevrolet Love. I love a Chevy Love. It's my top truck. If you haven't checked out the video either, there's some of them showing that I had a 70 C10 mixed with a Chevy Love design paint job, which I'll also custom design and put on this truck too, along with the Chevy Love step side that I built out of the International as well. That was like my favorite truck between the S10 square body step side and then the Chevrolet Love. Especially a step side Love. It's a beautiful truck, immaculate. Hard to find. Yes. Ooh, make it a dually? Oh, we can change the color of the cage too? Well, that looks pretty cool. I wonder if all the lights work. Nah, I wish they did. That'd be awesome. Ooh, toolbox is cool. Just immaculate. How cool this truck is. But on that note, I gotta head into work. Hope everybody has a great and blessed day. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see everybody next time. This update is humongous, new, big. It's out there. Check it out now. Have fun. Oh, wow.